Safety in the working environment is crucial, but how can companies guarantee safety? And what can new technologies do to help with raising employees' awareness of the risks and respecting safety rules? Let's take a look at OE Lab's large climatic test chamber. This chamber is used to test the functioning of industrial equipment at extreme temperatures. Of course, safety in the extreme conditions of this chamber is vital. That is why we use these 3 safety conditions. First of all, we make sure to wear the appropriate protective workwear depending on the conditions inside the climate chamber. Secondly, if we are near a dangerous piece of equipment, we have to keep a safe distance. The last condition is to ensure that our toolbox is back at its expected position before leaving the climate chamber. We make these safety conditions effective by combining data from wearables with data from environmental sensors, and by alerting the worker when we detect that one of these safety conditions is broken. To achieve this goal, we took 3 measures. First of all, we installed a number of proximity beacons in the working environment. For instance, we installed beacons inside and outside the climate chamber in order to know whether there is someone inside the chamber. We also put beacons on dangerous equipment and on the toolbox. In addition, the worker has a temperature monitor integrated in his workwear. This technology was provided by the Smart Textiles demonstrators in the SmartPro project. This monitor is connected to a Bluetooth module and acts as a beacon. Thirdly, the worker is wearing a smartwatch. This watch collects the signals broadcast by the beacons. If a safety rule is broken, the watch will give an alarm signal. Now let's put it to the test. Our first safety condition is for the worker to wear the appropriate protective workwear, depending on the current conditions inside the climatic chamber. On the dashboard, we can see that the current ambient temperature inside the chamber is about minus 45 degrees Celsius. It is possible that the temperature inside the chamber drops below minus 50 Celsius when, for example, we simulate nightfall. In this case, the system will raise an alarm, notifying the worker to use extra protection for his lungs. When the worker re-enters the chamber, armed with extra protective clothing, the system will detect this and clear the alarm. Another way to tackle this is to monitor the worker's skin temperature. In this case, the system will tell him, for example, to leave the chamber when his body starts showing signs that he has already been exposed to these extreme temperatures for too long. The second safety rule is to keep a safe distance from dangerous tools. If the worker comes too close to the equipment, the system will detect this threat and raise an alarm to inform the worker to keep at the safe distance. If the worker has finished in the chamber and leaves the toolbox without storing it correctly, the system will give a warning and will ask the worker to take the toolbox back to its location. As you can see, technology, wearables and data can really make a difference for safety in industrial environments. But we can do much more, even tailor it to your industry. Want to know more? Have a look on our website.